Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kajing treshitom bunsin ka wanra yung so ubatiang. Hagini ki kandiat benai ki nongelam jong ki sound tuli ki sinong. Kata ka mauyong rim, mauyong japung. Ka lom mau nay, bat ka malay nong kwar. Harengkat baru MDC wa tebor lang pataw. Kilatur ya ka mau ka ding. Pan pentik na baka skim bam di. Kabadai kerpang na kabenta kini ki sinong kan urlong. Kini ka skim kala urlong ha kabana kaliang jong menteri rangba ke jelau Konrad Sangma ulawan banbu yo mau nong rim na kabenta kini ka skim ya kabala tip kum ko shlong lo mau nei thlong mau yong pat block 13 water supply scheme ha ka jinge don lang jong sembut menteri rangba uba Preston Tensong menteri katanat PHE uba Renington Lingdo Tongkhar Commissioner and Secretary katanat PHE Usayed Muhammad Andali Razi bat UMDC ka maulai uba tebor lang pataw. Haba keren hagini ka sngi Menteri Rangba ka jelau Konrad Sangma ulaong. Baga Jal Jeevan Mission ka scheme ka badan kambha ka badai na ka sorkar pedeng. Badru na ka sorkar jelna ka ban penbiang ya ka umbam umdi. Haki yeng kisem jong kitu ki badai ni kitai nong kendong. Bad na ka jing treshitom jong Menteri katanat PHE uba Renington Lingdo Tongkhar. Kila laru ban penteri kam yegni ka scheme haki census down. Ula ai ka jingya ru ya UMDC uba tebor lang pataw. Badru yo menteri katanat PHE kibala treshitom ban punurlong yegni ka scheme. Ula ya thoru balamang na kabenta gani ka scheme kumba khandai pu san klor lai pu pralak tingka. Bad ya ka tender ru kila khon. Baru don ka jingkermen ba shen kin sala ban sedang no ban penteri ya ka. Kiway di kiba ajing keren negeri ka sngi ki kentop ya usembut menteri rangba uba Preston Tensong menteri katanat PHE uba Renington Lingdo Tongkhar kinong yalam snong badru na UMDC.
Carried the pipes on their heads and shoulders to ensure that every nook and corner of the state is covered. Because of the long hours spent by our engineers and officials to prepare more than 3,000-4,000 estimates and DPRs for different programs. Because of all the hard work put in by our Honorable Minister to guide them and to give them the leadership that was required. Today, from being at the bottom of Jal Jeevan Mission, Meghalaya is at the top. We are one of the best performing states under the Jal Jeevan program, and this has been certified by none other than the Jal Shakti Minister himself when he came to Meghalaya. And I quote him saying that the model of implementation and the model for water supply that has been adopted by Meghalaya is a model that should be replicated by other states. This speaks volumes and gives testimony to the dedication and hard work given by every single person working in the department. From 4,500 connections, today we are almost touching 3 lakh connections. From a mere 0.75% coverage, today in a matter of 2.5 years, we are almost touching 50% of our target. Meghalaya, because of its performance, every year we get additional funds because we implement it well. We are the only state that has received the bonus for the last 2 years consecutively because we completed our targets and utilized the funds allotted to us. I am happy to inform you that we may be the only state, it's not yet done but I'm sure we will, that we may be the only state in the country today that may get the bonus for the 3rd consecutive term. The 3rd year, which is a hat-trick, and no other state would have achieved that. Again, a testimony of the dedication and hard work of the team. We were supposed to finish this project in this last 2022. And a lot of people criticize saying that Meghalaya has not achieved its target. But let me tell all of you, the target that the country and the Prime Minister has said is 2024. But the Honorable Minister and myself, we challenged the system here in Meghalaya, and we decided together that we will try our best, that we should be one of the first states to finish and implement fully. It was a huge target. It was a very steep target. But we were sure that we'll be able to move forward in it. And we took up the challenge. And in spite of COVID, we continued to work. And though we were not able to achieve this ambitious goal of 2022, which no other state has achieved, and no other state was given, all states have been told they have to complete by 2024, which means we have time till 2024. But it is Meghalaya and the Honorable Jal Shakti Minister who took it upon themselves that we will do it within 2022. We were not able to do it because it was challenging, but I can assure you that we will be one of the first and one of the few states that will be able to achieve the target that is laid down by Government of India on time. All of you have heard the speeches before me. That this project has only been possible because of the leadership of two people. One is your local MDC, who has tirelessly, continuously, dedicatedly working day and night as he does for everything that he believes in. He continuously followed up at my office, continuously followed up with the PHE Minister's office, and it is because of his hard work and dedication that today this project is being able to see the light of day, and we are able to make sure that the foundation stone is done. I am made to understand that even the tender has already been floated. We expect that within the next few days, the tender work will be allotted, and work for this should start within the next 2 weeks' time to maximum 3 weeks' time. Actual implementation of the work will also and should also start. So I thank the Honorable MDC, and I'm sure all of you would like to thank him. Let us give the Honorable MDC a round of applause for his hard work. The second person is, of course, our Honorable PHE Minister. A person who is somebody who always keeps the people and the state before anything else. A man who is dedicated to the target and the goal and the responsibility that is given to him. I remember discussing with him about the census towns. I asked him to follow up. He did follow up. Many other ministers also followed up because their constituencies were affected. We went together to Delhi, and because of his continuous follow-up and a bit of support from my side, because of the political linkage and all the connections that I have in Delhi with the minister, and the reputation and the rapport I share with the minister, we were able to convince the Government of India and the minister that this census towns are not under rural areas, and are not in urban areas technically. They are rural areas, and hence census towns where there is no elected body should be also included in JJM. And after a hard work from all of us, especially from the Honorable Minister, this particular project has gone through.
Kadang kecing tu apa maulai mauyong ya kabai irong masinang ketukupor iba toni lendo ilawan iba toni karkongor ilawan bani kendu enga ban petskau habedi kecing jong kinong mauyong ban nilalek bani kendu yai minister badam turang jongi I baranikton ban petskau ya kecing jong kinong mauyong halor kecing bami nakatu ka kaba menta kasnong kapadan kam kawa sing nakanaru ba ekstem lalinga kapor badang long PHE Minister ba samnen nakaliam jonga ringkat ba irang ba snong joka molai tholong lumunay irang ba akur imakumum nantai saramsi ngilalet ban persngawi ya kani ka project kabaladan hak jing mo berkat nado kesenam gunalenyo haus nam arjar kata ban budin yang ni projek kata kalong kepala kan ko rekom lo tamakai ke bakam kata yang kalong bahadian biwan irong basnang ibato ni bang ilet siya i minister badan program banyak keren ni kecing jadi namu yang kamtam bakidu lai benai dalam kali kalong bah dan kepor bang mahap selap mong syu ban pam itu nama telah ceklia palan kinang mau yang kidi nak kepada ceklia nak kepada ceklia tam bakal dan ru kekentin nagi offside ke department ban ong bakani teng-teng bandi gibri rom nong syu kawan kecing kita anga nomi kemat abang ayo sol kata bade habang ai kata kecing ke pipi yo papisiam ke sepenong ni bangin lum ni kirong pasnong bro sau senong banyak keren nak bede bat omba mundi nak bentakin kala ya ke green signal bakni ke babiang mah gilayalam ni PhD minister isaranik tan lendo bangin songo sa ya kecing pelapor kecong pi bapi dalam kecong kekejat bangi ngilayan bangilalet sedu ketenong bat pilai iru ya kecing long jengman cukup bat pilai ya ke green signal untuk por baka department kan penterikam ya kata bat kesedang nak kalian kan department bakat pet nak kata kecing dan kam cukup ni bat penurlong ni ko hadian magios kau ya ke budget jom kan ni hak tu ke por ke PC department kau kelapan lu dah nyo pukur kecing kalau nanglo nyo tak pisah apa terengi skop teman bagi dah dokumen bagi dah chief minister ubadan kata kecing perkat nak kata kesenang mulai habang ilipan lagi kata skim spas ni pak mulai dan penurlong isar perstun ngalai kendu berbuat namta kata kini ki armut kinong alam kejongi ki belong kinong sya jongi kelasim kya ban penurlong suai kata skim ke mentah pak mulai sian on salah ban pentrikam di skim spas ni kabanora karo kepar delar ba declare kata kan itu pi kesawan ru kecibut aki pementah lala ban penrung limba ka jal jiban mission ya kan skim ka bangi ilang nu bat ka basnom tenade ya kalong ba da kecik tresitam jongi kirong basnom rekat banga kum nomi khamat jong pi beret kum MDC rekat kecing kerku jong PhD minister ya ka bangla let ban ongi batu penrung no limba kan ka jal jiban mission Barhadian kata ngila let sikini ki nong sensyar ke jongi deputy chief minister Profesor Conrad ban liatu ki ban petsko ki bat kai ke basot tanap akani por kalong ba kani skim ha kani ke singi komta kala urlong ya ke papilai osno ke sanction jongi kalong kumba khandai pusan klur AA kani ke projek ke bahe atam apa mulai padba kan suang EP menta khandai pusan klur banwara skim pemulai kam dek kam ke besok Hendak dah kecing pensekolah macam kini, kinam sensyar kejongi pada kecing terus tomlang macam kini kirang masnong, jok senong kepa dan lagi ni South Lake senong ngilala ban penurlong yang kini skim mentah ban ni community ban ni scam sen kipat ba jok kini South Lake senong kin sayo omba mundi kebakut. Pada nak liang jangan aku nomi kemat badan kecikir clear mentah jompi ngai kubulai yang kini kilaimut kihe kijongi kibalong kinam sensyar. Kibala sim ya kini kebenta bat kibala sengapru ban sengau ya kini kecengi bat kumang lanjutkan barbor kadang-kadang ke skim lada pim smart kelitur sekretariat ban liya kendu kawara cengi ban boro-boro ya kuah umrut haka jelak kecengi dan rai nak kata bangi smart ban lej ringkat bat kidong basnong ban mentang sengi layo bat kini kesengi kebalong kecingkeman sisa ni tipi nak kebenta kini ki South Lake senong kaptam kesenang mauyong kadi kesenang kabangadaan mo de bat kapasotanat kalang ba i minister PhD balong nang kesenang mauyong isu tu ba ta kajing akpor ngili personal i bat de da kajing simkhia kajing i bat kajing rap jum sar konrad jung i bisa perstun ngilala ban penlong ya kani kakam kibun ki project kiba ka department kiba per kiba nganglalet ban kerpat mata kajing cekidang mulai ngilala ban penurong haka kenti kejenga mata MDC South-Nam lada pikenya kami ke projek ke bangalala banwarra dekat bak kejentri lambat kinang elam senang bat ketika sulak ke bangidang yo asian apa mulai mod siar gadai ke projek ke balakot ke masispa krur menta kelarung ke skim pok senang mulai bat pada genang tresitom Bagi nang kentiu ke Krishna Maulai ke jongi kabanlang ka constituency kabanlang nuksai ki we.
One of the reason is because no water. That's why I have to leave this village. Now, in near future, if I have to come back, you will know that I will come back because now we have water at Mauyong. Let us clap our hands. Yeah. I'm very happy to stand here with my Deputy Chief Minister, who has been a guiding force to all of us all the times. Patau, very active leader, who had convinced me to run left and right. And I'm very happy we are here with us. Commissioner Secretary from the Department PHE, Kong Bada, our Chief Engineer, and all the officers from the department. Tang bang kap kamsok mana kalau mendengar kami pergi pajak jong kasnong maulai, bat jong kini ki area marjan baro, yang ki bagi up quality, yang ki jeng yo ekne kaum. Kalau nggak ski kau kemen hadok kata-kata, hak bagi yang nak kena ski kum uwe unong senong. Ubang ngalayo iya ke jeng jenjar, jong ke jeng bombon jong ke dekat tain maulai jongi, ki tain mauyong jongi baro. Ngalayo i adalah ke jong ke kemat, ngalamat adalah jong hiya ke jeng Bat ka kuat berong iping yang hang ni, dah kau peniang ikat klik. I stand here with my head high because with this hope, laying this foundation stone, a stone of faith that people of Maulai area will get water. Kibreu jo ke Maulai area kita yo na yang hang ni, dah kau peniang ke klik jonga. Watlah kini kisgi kini kipenai kebaladap. Katba kini kirang ba snong rekat embassy katba kini ya keren berwari kenduk yang abon bonsen kalau perlong yang apan ya perkat ka nak kanu kas kem gila banbu hendreng aingo yo blai tra kanda bangela ilala ban pernget ya kasukar India ban function ya kini kisen sostau aku abani tu yepi I have written 2 letters to Jal Shakti Minister requesting him to allow us the census town people to get water under JJM. And I'm very happy that along with Honorable Chief Minister, we went to Delhi and we have raised this issue to him. We have spoken to him that urban people, census town people also need water to be included under JJM. And we are very happy to stand here that there are many census town villages has got water under JJM, and Mauyong, Maulai is one of those. So thank you so much. We are very happy. And I pray that this laying of foundation stone will not end it here, but with the cooperation. The kaji terlang yo phi ki bor snong ki bor thau. Ngin la petri kam si sai ke skim. Ngin la pendep ka por. Kadon kaji kerki hadu kata-kata ke urgency. Hakabangi hapan pendep ya ke skim hapok jo upnai march ar hajar ar pusau. Parlok be lada phi pendik hai watang si sngi ban persnam omlong syo. Immediately ngil hapan traino ina kam herengim la ban pentre mentahi ngaku abnoi pi kan bu ke jing akan klik jo ka sarkar Meghalaya lada ka sarkar India kaong ngila bu ke tarkat ar hajar ar pusau march lada phim pendap ka hedek kan ha ka klik jo ka sarkar Meghalaya pidep kum ka state ka barit nangnong ngila bandon ka sos ka babiang ban pendap lada ngim la pendap hapo ke por namar kata ngidon kam ki jing terlang pi baro ki bor snong ki bor thau ngakwa Bama pi wait pi involve kena skim. Jangan berta kena skim. Mak involvement yo pi kan long konstruktif hak bangila pendap kena skim mak por ko biang. Kublai sibon, kublai sejarngo.
Engineer bakatim jengi baru hoj. Segau bang banbu priority ketika project ban pendap apo kapor kapapiang. Kabaar ngasngau bangade ban berken mau kendiat yai history jong bate bor patau. Gitu kiperlok kibal sungutunat ubate bor patawat snau. Beleng ale jong kumta namar ba uwan klia yang abdu nasyu yo kesis pasin. Siteng meru pun esar ayo saksonne. Teng esar ke surkar kelap diang nem ke surkar India. Hadu bateng-teng ngelating taman yo i kaduru bate bor. Deune deu jajri uba omi uba mi nawaken. Malusri waken ket mabham jutia urung satliu jasa ndai banong kum kitu sri jaitu tia lepen odar bam nabi kun kata kabom lalong de kublai siajar ngu bate bor patau pigi patba no mulai pila jit yo griu ubakan sai bat khadu pada slem ubat tebor pathar wan yalam ya ka kenhun jong kabalang namar imat kandon gejing seng presbytery jong kabalang nongkwar bat kidon kam kerki ya kan surong banrung seni samadan hakini kita yu ke bakhendiat ke bansawan ngin sas dang no ya ka surong kumle ya pi sia yang